Hey everyone, today we'll fix the error. These 3, 4, 5 lights blinking and cartridge is stuck. So what you have to do, you have to disassemble the printer first. And there you go, we are disassembled. And now the things that you need to do is you need a screwdriver and you need to open this case. There are two screws here. You can easily open them. What we need to do is to realign these gears to the hole position. As you can see, there is a hole on the gear, and as on the other side there is another hole, so we have to assign there you go, this hole and that hole should be assigned on the same direction. So when you open this part, you have a gear here as well. It also have a hole here, and you have to assign it on the back hole's position. As you can see, there you go, there you can see the hole, and you have to assign this gear to that hole as well. So I'm going to use a wood pin, not a metal pin, because the metal pin can damage this gear. This gear is made from plastic, not from metal. So as you can see, I align it directly with the help of this wood stick. You can use a toothpick or anything that can go inside it and align it together. Also for this gear, as you can see, I am aligning it, and there you go, my gear is aligned. Now I'm gonna reinstall this one back, and there is another thing you have to do. You have to untie the screw and pull it back on the same direction. After that, when you try to run your printer, first time it will like go to its position, and then the error should be removed. I'm going to show you. You also have to oil this metal bar so your section would be used clearly, and this plate you use a tissue paper to clean it. And clean this with the tissue paper and do it very gently, and also clean this roller so your paper won't stuck here. And that's all for this printer. Okay, my printer light is now normal. Now I can print anything that I want without any kind of errors. Also recheck your ink cartridges, make sure they are filled, and these settings are make sure like same that I do. And if still facing error, just replace the motor, RC motor, to wholesale market and buy it from there, because your printer seller will sell it like 5 to 6 thousand, and it's very expensive, but it's very cheap. They just take advantages of your